All right. So welcome Dr. Praveen Patel and Dr. Sunita Patel from Baroda. It's a great honor to meet you today, and I'm really surprised and very pleasantly surprised that you joined my course and we're doing this one-to-one session today over Zoom. You in Baroda, I'm in Gurgaon, and I'm very impressed with the website, the kind of work you are doing for society and for the people, holistically treating diseases like cancer, arthritis, reversing diabetes. I mean, this is some amazing work and people don't know about it. A lot of people don't know about it. So here it is. How long you been doing it here, Dr. Patel and Sunita?
8 years.
8 years you've been
in
doing
India.
it. Yeah.
8 years in India, 30 years in the USA.
So 30 years you've been doing in US and now 8 years in India. And any celebrity patient, or because I know this kind of thing, you must be meeting a lot of celebrities and people who have all the money but they have lost their health. I know a lot of people have done that. So they must be coming to you. I've gone through a couple of testimonials on your website.
Yes, Ram Jethmalani.
Okay.
Anupam Kher.
Okay. Wow.
And some others, but I don't remember the names.
And Irfan Pathan and Yusuf Pathan, our Indian cricket players, their family, their parents.
You are telling me something about Mother Teresa also. Would you like to tell us that story?
Yeah. Mother Teresa came to know about me when I was in India, my work and everything. So one of the government agency gave me the award through Mother Teresa. And Mother Teresa, after 4 years of that event, she recommended to one of the politicians USA that he should approach to me for the holistic medicine.
Very nice, fantastic. And what most chronic diseases you have treated, and patients are all right?
We have treated rheumatoid arthritis,
lupus, that is SLE, liver cirrhosis, kidney failure, cancer. We have reverse diabetes, autism, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's,
ulcerative colitis.
Wow. So any number you can throw in last 8 years you must have treated in India?
Maybe 5,000-6,000 people.
5,000-6,000 people. And what's your success rate in reversing these kind of diseases where medical science has failed? I tell you my example. I was diagnosed the type 2 diabetic in the last 6 years. And every time I go to doctor, they just give me metformin or GMA1 or all those tablets. No one ever told me that this can be reversed. And I was able to reverse diabetes in first 30 days only going on right diet. It is so easy, people, So I believe that everything is reversible, right?
Yes, everything is reversible, including the cancer.
Including the cancer. Follow doctor's advice religiously.
Right. Yeah, that is for sure. Last 132 days I am on diet. Zero cheating. I mean, I was so fond of my alcohol. Every weekend I'll have my scotch, but I haven't touched it. Whatever my doctor says, I haven't touched any birthday cake in the family, nothing. So this is very essential part that if people who are serious and want to get rid of these serious illnesses, they have to follow your advice, right?
Please excuse me.
1 second.
Yeah.
Somebody at the door.
Okay. So, Dr. Patel, you are based in Baroda, right?
Yes, we are in Baroda.
So what is another thing? You joined my course. I was surprised. I mean, 80-year-old, 82-year-old.
80 years.
80 years, and you have still so much desire to learn new things, and you joined my course, Turbo Sales Blueprint. Now you have decided to join my 1-year course, Complete Life Mastery. So what made you believe that I can add value to you?
That day we think that we know everything. I think that's the beginning of the end. So every minute, every second, you can learn from something. You can learn from animal also. If we observe them, you learn lots of things. We are during this Corona time, we both have learned so many things which we are going to treat Parkinson, Alzheimer's, and the paralysis patient. We can make them walk. Probably in 2 to 3 months, you will see those things what we are going to do without surgery again. So life is always learning, in my opinion.
So what was your learning in
Age is only numbers. Age is only numbers.
Absolutely. We both believe that. So what was the main highlight of the thing you learned from my course?
How to present yourself, how to give more than what the other person is expected. That I have learned from you, believe me. Most of the time I have seen people are not very much open. You are very open. You tell what comes to your heart. You are not hesitating anything to say. So I have learned from you. And many techniques you have, the marketing technique, which most of the particular doctors do not know the marketing techniques. Let me tell you that. We are very simple people in that way. We expect the patient will take everything and patient will be okay. No, it doesn't work that way anymore. So those days have been gone when the doctor were considered next to God. That have gone, and it should not be also. The doctor is not a god. Doctor is just like any other human being. He is just professional. He is going to advise you what he can do. That's all.
Right. How about your book? When are you going to finish your book?
Two books have already gone. Third, I'm going to write on arthritis, particular rheumatoid arthritis, how it can be reverted. Maybe another 90 days.
So would you like to give a talk to our Tajurba community on reversing these kind of diseases holistically? A half an hour or 1 hour talk, if you think.
Half an hour, yes.
Yes,
30 minutes, yes, we can.
Okay, so that's great. I'll organize that talk, for the Tajurba community, as it is growing, and we are looking at bringing in 1 crore people, entrepreneurs in this community. So they need to hear you out that, what work you are doing. I'm really very, very impressed, and people need to know this, that what you are doing. I'm going to post this interview on my YouTube, on my LinkedIn, on my Facebook, so that most people know about you. Send me your, I'll take it from your website, all the credential numbers and the people who want to get in touch with you for their problems. Any one message you want to give to the world who are having these major medical issues and spending lakhs and crores and dying early and suffering from diseases? Any message you want to give to them?
The message is live as per the rules of nature. Today's problems are due to lifestyle, So we have to change our lifestyle, live a simple life, eat at home, and eat simple food, and live according to rules of nature. That is the best thing to do, so you will not have any diseases. And be away from stress. In today's world, the highest problem is of stress, and stress can cause many diseases to human beings, And 98% of human problems are from the mind. So if you are happy in your mind, positive thinking, and a proper lifestyle, balanced food, yoga, meditation, exercise, you will not need to spend any money on your health. You'll be healthy, happy, and positive.
So how do you help people in managing stress? Because stress is not the part of any medical treatment. That's for the psychologists and counselors to handle.
Right.
We have one software which is known as the Quantum. We have treated many patients, those who are even suicidal due to stress, depressions. We have reversed that depression completely. We cannot say that we have made them 100% stress-free, but we have reduced the stress in a significant way. So we do without any medication. We don't give any medication for depression or stress.
Yeah, it's a software. The Quantum is a software. It's invented by a NASA scientist, and this goes to every cell of your body, and it goes to your subconscious mind. Wow. And it will find out all the negative blockages in your mind. And once you are hooked onto this for the treatment, it will remove all the negative blockages, and all your stress, depression, everything will slowly go away.
And
Gradually.
what are both of you do for leisure and fun activity beside working?
Travel,
We
music.
travel, music, we love music. I sing, I like to sing.
She's a good singer, by the way.
Yeah,
You want
what
to
do
sing?
you sing?
Another thing.
Let's hear one line if you want to. Just a line or two.
One line.
Yeah.
ऐ मेरे हम सफर एक जरा इंतजार सुन सदाई दे रही है मंजिल प्यार की.
You are damn good, I tell you, damn good.
One more thing. She
Yeah.
knows 14 languages.
14 languages. Wow.
14 languages. Not only that, she has played national level hockey in India. She has played the international level hockey went to, Korea, and she has played cricket also.
Wonderful.
She's a multi-talented person.
Very nice. Very nice. So nice to meet you.
I'm very fortunate to have her as my wife.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Beautiful. So it's a great honor to be in in conversation with you today. I'll send you the YouTube link of this video. You can put it on your website or share with your people. I'll also share in my entire community and network.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
It
very
was
much.
lovely talking to you.
Send me the link for
Thank
the
you.
credit card.
Thank you.
Yes, I will.
Okay, thank you. Take care. Have a nice day.
You too.